my channel. I'm Chloeana. I go by Chloe sometimes, and oh my gosh, my hair looks perfect, so perfect. I used some new products from Briogeo on my hair, and I must say my hair looks good. So if you'd like to see what products I used, keep on watching. Oh my gosh, yes. Woo. So I'm starting on an old wash and go. I think it was about 4 days old. It was still pretty moisturized, but it was wash day because my scalp was ready. So I just start by rinsing my hair all the way through. You guys know the drill. And then I go ahead and use their shampoo. So I'm using their Curl Charisma Hydrating Shampoo, and I must say I was very surprised by this consistency, but it did a really good job at lathering up, and it smells amazing. Like, it literally smells like candy. Oh my gosh. And it was definitely hydrating, and it definitely did the damn thing. Okay, so I really like the lather on it, and it really made my scalp feel super clean without feeling stripped. You know, it did the same thing for my hair as well, and I was kind of able to detangle with it too, but I didn't like detangle all the way through. But I would definitely say it has some slip, and my hair didn't feel dry like I said, you know, on rinsing it out. It really did the thing. Okay, it really did a good job. And then I just went ahead and rinsed my hair out. I didn't do a double cleanse or anything because I really didn't need one, and I'm happy that I didn't do that because my hair was just, it just felt really good. My cat is in the background, but anyway, the rinse out was just so juicy and hydrating. And then I move on to using their Curl Charisma mask, which blew me away. Okay, blew me away. The smell is the same candy scent, which is just, oh my gosh, it's delicious. Okay, I really like the slip on this product, and I think I would give it like a 7, maybe 8 on slip. It's not like super slippery, but it really worked to detangle my hair, and it left my hair feeling so juicy but strengthened at the same time, because it definitely does have proteins in it, which I really like for my hair lately because I've been experiencing a little bit of breakage and stuff. So I've just been incorporating protein a little bit more. And this product did a really good job at giving my hair protein and moisture. So I would say it's a good protein moisture balance product, and I'm definitely gonna keep using this up. I really like this mask a lot, and I will say that I recommend it. So these products are a little bit pricey, I must say. Thankfully, they gifted these products to me because your girl can't afford a $30 product. Okay, I can't afford to spend $30 on one product right now because I have other stuff to take care of. I think it's worth the money, even, but I definitely will say that it's a luxury purchase, and you know, if you have it, go for it, because I really like it. I will definitely be keeping it in rotation when I can afford it. So yeah, I just move on to doing the other sections. I make sure to get the top of my head really well, and as you can see, it foams up a lot, so a little goes a long way. That's one of the things I really like about like luxury products and like high-end hair products. They're usually very concentrated, which is a good thing because they last you a very long time, and you know, you don't have to be buying too many and so on and so forth. So I move on to the rest of my wash and go. I just rinsed the deep conditioner out and my curls feel so good and they smell amazing. Oh my gosh, I was thinking of doing a one product wash and go. They actually sent me quite a few of their styling products, their coil custard and also their frizz control gel. I was thinking of doing just a one product wash and go with the coil custard, but depending on how it feels, like if I feel like it's gonna have enough hold, then I'll just use it by itself. If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna top it off with the gel. So I'm actually just gonna add the product all over my hair, you know, in sections before I go ahead and style. So this is my first impressions. It still has a thingy on it, so you guys know I'm not fronting. I will say it is pretty thick. Ooh, that's a nice texture. Oh, that's thick. Oh, I like this smell. Okay, so I'm working it through. I definitely do feel a bit of, like, I can feel the protein in it. If you guys know what I mean, it feels, I don't know how to describe it. But let me actually just shut my mouth and add the product all over. It smells really good. I sort of feel like it needs something a bit lighter underneath, but we'll see like when I go into each small section. I'm just gonna go in and make some smaller sections. Oh, that feels different. Now that it's sat for a little bit, that feels different. I'm just gonna take my time with it because I really want to give it a fair chance. I need a bigger section on this. I really want to give it a fair chance, you know, to do its thing. So like I said, depending on how I feel when I add more product, I might add the gel. Okay. I don't think it's gonna give me a lot of hold. It definitely feels like on the, not lightweight, but fluffy, you know, kind of vibe. Fluffy kind of vibe, which is not bad, but I want to see how much hold it can give me, you know, if it can really keep my frizz down. So I'm actually just gonna add a little bit of the gel just to see. So that's the texture. This gel has protein in it, so I do expect it to have a little bit of hold. Okay, it's like a watery jelly like consistency. Okay, my hair is definitely moisturized. Looks clumped together. That's interesting. I'm just gonna repeat the steps all over my head and then I'll come back when it's time to do the top of my head. So I'm at the very top. I had a little issue like with slip. I'm not sure if it's my hair or if it's the product, but yeah, just gonna wet my hair down. I'll definitely say these products are a lot more lightweight which is not a bad thing, but you know, they're lightweight. I didn't expect them to be this lightweight, so you know, I have the urge to use more product, which is not good. You know, I feel like the products do emulsify well. I don't know, not like it's sitting on top, but like it's on top, you know. That's how it kind of feels like. It's just gliding on top. It doesn't feel like my hair is fully absorbing everything. Yeah, but my hair doesn't feel like bad or anything. But like I said, just, you know, just that it's not clumping, you know. It's not giving my hair that clump that I'm used to. But I'm gonna see it through because that's the right thing to do. Okay, so I just finished adding everything to my hair. I am just gonna use one of these clips to just clip my hair in place. I am hopeful. I don't want to be a negative Nancy and say that I'm, you know, I am definitely hopeful for this wash and go. It definitely feels like it's gonna be more of a lightweight vibe. My hair feels weightless, but like not at the same time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go sit under the dryer and then I'll come back tomorrow when my hair is done. Okay, so it's the very next day. I dried my hair with my hooded dryer and this is how my skin is, not skin, this is how my hair is looking. I haven't stretched it or anything like that or shaped it up. That's what I'm about to do. But I will say I'm very surprised with how my hair looks and how it feels. You can definitely see some definition and quite a bit of shrinkage. I'm seeing a lot of definition here. There's a little frizz, but nothing crazy. I love when products do the damn thing. Oh my gosh, I love when products do the thing. Oh my gosh, my hair looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I don't even need to lay my edges. That's how gorgeous my hair looks. I am in awe, honest. My hair looks very pretty, not to mention the fullness of it and just how, oh my gosh, my hair looks really gorgeous. I am in love. I am so in love. I'm so happy my hair turned out great because I really wanted these products to work and they do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my first impressions of these briogeo products. If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, leave me some comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video.